Assalamu alaikum. I'm a Kashmiri. I'm living inside the Kashmir. It's amazing that people do not talk much about what Kashmiris want. They just mean what India and Pakistan want. That's what they mean. The international community does not consider Kashmir as a separate state. Although, if you look at the map of the whole world, many complete independent states are smaller than the state of Kashmir. A clear example for this is Sri Lanka, a country many times smaller than Kashmir, but it is independent and sovereign. Why is considered small and insecure? It is true that Allah Almighty has enriched Kashmir with many treasures, and that is why every country is looking at this region. The water, minerals, and forests in Kashmir are in fact its real assets, and these are the reasons why other countries are terrorizing it so that Kashmir somehow becomes their part. Kashmir has been constantly divided into pieces. As a result, its historical significance is diminishing. Besides, the brotherhood within Kashmir is also coming to an end. I would like to see Kashmir as a fully independent and sovereign state in Kashmir. Since Kashmir is a disputed territory between three main major nuclear powers, it could lead to any major war in the future. By the way, it is true that the majority in Kashmir belongs to the Muslims, and the annexation of India by the Maharaja of Kashmir in 1947 was actually Nehru's ploy. Otherwise, the Kashmiri people have always been in favor of Pakistan and want annexation with Pakistan. But in the current situation, if Kashmir is independent rather than annexed, it will be better for it. Since after accession, other countries will try to create more internal problems than before, and this will increase unrest in Kashmir. But if under United Nations or any agreement, full force is withdrawn from Kashmir, it is given the status of independent state, so the intervention of other countries in Kashmir will only be for the sake of interest and not a conspiracy to weaken a rival country. There are some suggestions that I'm giving and might be satisfied with as a citizen of Kashmir. And the suggestion number one: the United Nations should deploy its peacekeepers in Kashmir and expel the forces of other countries and maintain control until political stability is restored in Kashmir. Full agreement should be made with Pakistan, India, and China to ensure that no country instigates unrest in Kashmir. Do not spread but continue to improve trade and other relations with Kashmir only for sake of profit. And Kashmir should also be obliged not to give too much priority to any other country or any other country which could harm to other country or affect its national security. Apart from this, the waters of Kashmir should be divided equally among these countries. Other resources such as minerals and forests belongs to Kashmir alone. And the suggestion number two: if Kashmir cannot be fully liberated, and what already seems impossible, then a referendum should be held under the auspices of the United Nations, and in this way all the areas with which the country can go and those areas, these countries should be fully integrated, and the border should be given the status of an international border. And the suggestion number three: this is a very painful proposal for the people of Kashmir, but it will be the last and only solution for lasting peace and development in Kashmir. Under this, Kashmir should be considered as a part of the countries under the present situation. And from now on, these areas should be under the complete control of the concerned country, and this area should not be considered as a disputed. Now country have authority to give him a free status or give him the authority of one of his provinces. I have given these suggestions to the world as a Kashmir citizen, and I have accepted these suggestions first, then second and third respectively. And finally, now how long will there be wars in the name of Kashmir? And how long will the mothers of Kashmir lose their sons in a never-ending war? How long will the blood flowing in Kashmir remains red? The decision of Kashmir is a matter of time, and with it comes peace of the subcontinent, and the incomplete partition of India will be completed. This incomplete work of the British Empire has ruined many lives, and Kashmir dynamite has taken away the fragrance of flowers from it. And Kashmir, in words of Allama Iqbal, today Kashmir is subjugated and compelled. Yesterday, what the visionaries called this as a small Iran. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.